Creating designs is a hard task, particularly for novice users. Given a set of design elements, there are many possible layouts. Unfortunately, though, exploring this huge space is difficult and often time-consuming. Current design tools provide little automatic assistance for exploring the design space. In this paper, we introduced DesignScape, a system for automatically generating layout suggestions to aid novice users. Our system provides two different kinds of suggestions: refinement suggestions which improve the current layout, shown on the left, and brainstorming suggestions with large-scale changes, shown on the right. Let's look at the refinement suggestions first. For example, let's move the title to the top left, which creates undesirable overlap. The system then creates suggestions on the left to improve the layout. The user simply mouses over a suggestion to preview it and clicks to accept. The user then continues to modify the layout, with the system providing new suggestions after each user interaction. Next, let's look at the brainstorming suggestions. On the right, the user is shown a list of layouts in a variety of styles, which provide starting points to help them explore possible designs. The user can easily select from any of these brainstorming suggestions and can then begin refining the layout. The user can constrain the refinement suggestions in several ways. Most importantly, the suggestions are constrained to be similar to the main canvas. However, the user can also lock elements, which prevents them from moving. Alignment lines also act as a weak constraint on the suggestions, keeping aligned elements together and aligning text blocks to the line. Finally, users can also constrain elements to have the same size. We also introduce a second interface, which adaptively moves elements based on our design model, assisting the user with element spacing, alignment, and symmetry. The user can again lock elements, which prevents them from automatically moving. Brainstorming suggestions are again shown on the right, and the user can easily explore different designs and then refine the layouts. Targeting layouts is a common task in design. Designers must often create layouts in a variety of sizes, from posters to banner ads. Our system easily allows the designer to retarget a layout to a different size and then begin refining it. Brainstorming suggestions can again be used if a totally new layout is desired for this size. Here, we retarget to a much smaller size, which would require significant work by the designer. Our system easily shifts the elements, providing a reasonable starting point for refinement. DesignScape is also well suited for tablet-based design. Precise control of elements is difficult on a touch-based interface, so moving and scaling multiple elements is quite time-consuming. By contrast, our interface allows users to more easily explore alternatives and is well suited for novices who may wish to create simple posters or advertisements on their tablet. In tablet mode, the user simply taps once to preview a suggestion and then taps again to accept.